If you've been searching for the perfect car, one that blends power, style, and cutting-edge tech, then your search ends right here! Because today, we're diving into the 2026 Ford Mustang, a machine that doesn't just drive, it roars into your life like a storm you didn't see coming. And let's be honest, when someone says, Mustang, you don't think of a car, you think of a feeling. You think of freedom, adrenaline, maybe even a little rebellion. And Ford knows this. That's why the 2026 Mustang isn't just another model, it's a rebirth of a legend for a whole new era. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever been behind the wheel of a car that makes you feel like the world is yours? A car that makes your heart pound before you even hit the ignition. That's what the Mustang has always been about. But here's the twist. This time, Ford didn't just keep that spirit alive, they poured rocket fuel on it. Literally. Because when you look at this thing, with its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and that unmistakable grille, you know immediately this isn't some commuter's car. No way. This is a statement. It's Ford whispering, you wanted the future of muscle cars. Here it is. But of course, looks aren't everything. Let's get real for a second. How many times have you seen a car that looks incredible on the outside, but then disappoints the second you sit inside? That fear is real, right? But Ford understood that. The 2026 Mustang greets you with a cockpit that feels like stepping into a fighter jet. We're talking about a fully digital cluster that flows into a massive center screen, controls that respond instantly to your touch, and even the kind of mood lighting that makes night drives feel like you're in a movie. It's luxury, but it's raw power at the same time. It's comfort, but it's also ready to scream down the highway if you just tap your foot a little harder. And speaking of screaming, let's talk about what's under the hood, because what's a Mustang without that heartbeat of raw horsepower? Ford knows their audience. They know there are purists out there who still want that thunderous V8 rumble. And yes, the Mustang still delivers. But here's where it gets exciting. They've also leaned into hybrid and even EV options, meaning the 2026 Mustang isn't just about burning rubber, it's about adapting to the times. Imagine this, you pull up in your all-electric Mustang, silent as a ghost, and the guy next to you thinks, oh, that's cute. And then, boom, instant torque, zero lag, and you're gone before he even knows what happened. That's the kind of fear Ford wants to spark in the competition. That's the kind of excitement they're selling you. Now here's a question. Do you buy a Mustang just because it's fast? Or do you buy it because of what it represents? The truth is, a Mustang is more than horsepower. It's about legacy. It's about knowing you're part of a story that started in 1964 and has never stopped rewriting itself. The 2026 version makes you feel like you're not just buying a car. You're buying into decades of history, culture, and passion. Think about it, this is the car that starred in Hollywood blockbusters, the car that people put posters of on their bedroom walls, the car that has survived every single trend in the automotive world. And here it is, still here, still strong, still evolving. But let's also not ignore the fun part. This Mustang doesn't take itself too seriously. Yes, it's a beast, but it's also playful. Flip the drive mode selector and suddenly you've got track settings, drift modes, even customizable exhaust notes. Want to sound like a monster tearing down the road? Don't. Want to tone it down because your neighbors already hate you? Also done. It's that kind of dual personality that makes the 2026 Mustang so special. It can be the daily cruiser, the weekend warrior, and the track day terror all rolled into one. Of course, some people might be afraid that the Mustang is losing its soul by moving into hybrids and EVs, afraid that the rumble of the V8 might one day vanish. But let me flip that fear around for you. What if this is the only way the Mustang survives for the next 60 years? What if by embracing new tech, Ford is making sure the Mustang never becomes just a museum piece, Isn't that worth the trade? I mean, what's scare a Mustang that evolves or no Mustang at all? And while we're on fear, let me ask, when was the last time you felt truly excited about driving? Not just, oh, I'm getting from point A to B, but actually excited. The kind of excitement where you take the long way home or wake up early just to drive before the world gets noisy. The Mustang is designed to bring that back. Because here's the truth, in a world full of safe, quiet, sensible SUVs, the Mustang is still out here being loud, being bold, being unapologetically different. It's the car that makes you feel alive again. Now let's talk numbers, because I know you're curious. The 2026 Mustang lineup is expected to start with around 315 horsepower in the base EcoBoost, jumping all the way to 500 plus horsepower in the GT and Shelby models. 0 to 60, we're talking under 4 seconds on the high trims. Top speed, enough to make you grin like a kid sneaking candy. But the beauty is, you don't have to go max trim to feel the thrill. Every Mustang gives you that DNA, that spark, that feeling. Inside, tech is everywhere, but it's not overwhelming. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, driver assist features like adaptive cruise and lane keeping, they're all there. But Ford was smart. They didn't make the car drive itself completely. Because let's face it, who wants to buy a Mustang and then sit back while it does the driving? No, this car is about connection. It's about your hands on the wheel, your foot on the pedal, your heart sensing up with the machine. And that, honestly, is why the 2026 Mustang isn't just another car. It's a reminder that driving is supposed to be emotional, not just practical. It's supposed to scare you a little and thrill you a lot. It's supposed to make you laugh, make you shout, maybe even make you nervous when you're about to floor it. That's the magic of the Mustang, and that's what this new chapter is all about. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning a car that's not just metal and wheels, but a piece of living history, this might be your moment. The 2026 Ford Mustang is proof that legends don't die. They adapt, they evolve, and they come back stronger. The only question is, are you ready to be part of that story? Or are you going to watch from the sidelines while someone else lives it? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mustang, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Car Hub family, because we've got plenty more exciting rides to explore. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.